Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an episode on the potential for 4 winter storms in the span of a week. So this is going to be a very active pattern and busy time for me. So please guys, consider liking and subscribing the video. It really helps a lot. Thank you so much. And now let's get started with the video. So this is the first storm that's passing. It's not that strong. 1007 low. That's barely a low. And you can see it moves across into the northeast. Boston, rain. New York, rain. Philadelphia, rain. So nothing too special for the East Coast, but there will be some several inches of snow for interior parts of the Northeast, like upstate New York, Vermont, and parts of New Hampshire. And into Maine, you could see northern Maine, even most of the Maine doesn't get any snow. And this is the second system that pops up. This is the second winter storm. This is going to be a pretty small clipper, or I should say shortwave energy, shortwave, upper level shortwave. And this is going to be, it's going to have quite a bit of strength with it. Even though it doesn't have that much moisture with it, it's going to have some heavy snow bands intertwined with it. And that will lead to over almost an inch per hour snowfall rates. And you can see that hits areas like Chicago, Wisconsin, and Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa. Those are all under the gun for some snow, and the bullseye is going to be western Illinois and eastern Iowa, probably. That's the bullseye, and you can see that moves away quite quickly, and that dissipates, getting some snow showers to the northeast. But the third system, I should say, that's going to be even more powerful than the first and second, is going to be this system, and this is how far the model goes out. You can see bringing snow to Chicago, Indianapolis, southern Indiana could get on the ice, same with southern Illinois and southern Missouri, depending on how this load tracks. This is recent because several model runs ago, this was way to the south. Now it's way to the north. Let me go to the 12 km, which goes out even further to show you how this pans out. So you could see pretty much the same setup as in NAM 3 km, and it just goes to the northeast, and Boston's going to start off with mainly snow, but that could definitely switch and probably will switch to rain, but this could still change. So stay tuned, because this could mean the difference between several inches of snow for Boston to nothing. So that's going to be a big thing to watch. Also, I'd like to show you the GFS, and I would like to show you what I mean by this thing keeps switching around. So let's rewind this back. You could see it's been shifting a little bit northward in the previous model runs. It's been way to the south previously. You could see just way to the south, yeah. And now it's been trending farther northward, so areas like Illinois, Indiana, Michigan will get snow. But that is still several days out, and we need to focus on this smaller system. So let's see the snow totals from the smaller system. This is the GFS snowfall totals. You could see Iowa will get the bullseye according to the GFS. I do think that GFS is a little bit conservative on, in general, the amounts. I think there will be some 7-inch pockets, and it's not showing any 7-inch pockets. So, and I don't think we'll get 3 inches here in Chicago, because the system's stronger than that. It's stronger than to leave 3 inches of snow. I think the NAM has the best handle on it, showing around 4 to 5 inches of snow, and the bullseye being in eastern Iowa and western Illinois. And the Canadian model has, I think, a little bit too much of the snow. I mean, it's definitely possible, but I just don't think this will happen, that Chicago will get 6 and central Illinois will get 7, 8 inches. That's a little bit too much in my opinion, but we'll just need to see about that, because anything could happen, anything could change. So again, guys, there's going to be 3 different storms, or 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one right here. This fourth one is still very far out, and it's only been a couple days on the model runs, and you can see this one could be much stronger than the previous couple ones. This one could actually get into 900s, which is fairly strong, and it continues to intensify as it moves up. So this one's definitely something to watch. But again, that is a week from now, so that is a lot of time. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing the video. See you guys in the next episode.